what's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming out from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some John Denver and his song. Okay, let's check out the picking. He's doing finger picking, but I'm not very good at finger picking, so I'm always using, basically almost always using a pick or alternating with the pick and fingers. Alright, but I'm gonna show you what's happening anyway. We got this pattern that keeps through the whole song. So it's starting on the D to D sus. It's 4, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3 through the whole song. You can also strum it. It sounds really good strumming it too. Okay, so that's the intro, D to D sus, or if you want to do it up here, that's 7, 7, 5, and then 7, 8, 5. Okay, and then we have G, G major, A major, to B minor, back to G. Okay, that's the first part. G, A, B minor, G. And then the second part we got D major, C sharp over D major 7. That's 2, 2, 2, and then grab 4 on A. B minor, A major, G major, F sharp minor, E minor, to G, and then A, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, A sus, back to A. That's the first part. Second part, every other time is almost exactly the same, but instead of staying on the A, they go from E minor, A to D, and then it's back to. Okay, let's try to play it. G major, A major, B minor, G major, and then D, C sharp, B minor, A, F sharp minor, E minor, G, and A sus, back to G. To top. That's kind of cool to mix it up with strumming and picking. Okay, let's review it before we end the lesson. So, same pattern through the whole song. Whatever the root is, of course, but then root 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, but if I sang this song, I would probably strum more and do a little bit of picking, but it's hard to keep that up through the whole song if you don't do finger picking. All right, so the chords: G, A, B minor to G, C, D, D, C sharp over D major 7, B minor, A major, G, F sharp minor, E minor, G to A sus to A. And the second time, from the E minor, instead of going back to the G, we go E minor, A, and to the top. This is a great song for practicing that type of picking. And if you're good with your fingers, it's probably much easier to just control it like that, but I don't do that too much. Alright, thanks folks. See you tomorrow. Have a great day. Be safe.